Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple animation without animation skill that you have. Maybe you don't have animation skills, you can create this with Canva and Capcut. So first thing to do, you can open Canva first, create a design here. You can try to use all the suggested. For example, let's start with a mobile video, and then use a document color with the green here. Let's try a neon green here. And the elements, you can try to search anything that you want. For example, the car animation that you want to add. This one, for example. And after that, you can save your project by click on share. After you download it, now open the CapCut. So import the video that we already downloaded before, this one, and then add into your material or projects. Here we go, the animation from Canva. And next step, you can remove the green background. You can click on remove background here and use chroma key here. Here we go, the background is removed. Next, you can add animation here. So it's up to you, you want to add what animation, or you can use the combo one. For example, here, or even bounce, or pendulum here. So you can add any animation that you want here. And after that, you can add sound. This one, the audio. You can try to search a car sound. Here we go, car engine starting sound, for example. Drag it and done. This is the simple animation that I create from Canva into the CapCut. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.